ng picture.
Trixie Kardashian.
Yung mga picture good. Kantahin happy birthday si Ronnie. Happy birthday sa niya. Pakiyatak siya.
Where is Trina?
Sige ng tubig.
Trixie Kardashian.
Mama, kuha ko ba doon? Umupod ka na, Ronnie. Hindi ka na mag-exam buwas. Ninay! Oo, wala tayo. Makuha ko ba doon? Kin-kin. Maamin kita.
We are the Kardashians.
Kuha mo kayo makuha ko ba doon? Sorry.
Buhay nga sa magpabitin.
Alam mo, Trina, inamin ko talaga na hanggang... Kardashians. We are the Kardashians, remember? Trina Kardashians. Who is this baby? What is your name?
Magkukwento tayo.
The Kardashians are so cute. What is the name of your baby? Ay, kasi isa sa'yo, sari-sari sa'yo. Saka kasi ko yung...
Kanya ang ano talaga, original. Hindi ulit ba?
Oo.
Nakapagkwento ko na.
St. Louis de Marilac ka na lang, Trina. Mag-apply ka sa Marilac Grande kung di ka makapasa sa Sorso. Diba?
Malaki kayo po na dyan, kaya kailangan mo ng training kayo. Saka,
Parang walang requirements. We are the Kardashians. We have a potential to pursue something. Our fate. Anyway, I have something to tell you. I almost have a boyfriend. And his name is Jim Espirita. And I was like, oh my God, he already have a girlfriend. So this is the future Kardashians. What about you? Do you have a girlfriend or a boyfriend?
I have a daughter, and that's good.
Do you experience as a mother?
Sige mo na mo. Kumairot mo na. Ang kalangan ko.
So I was confirmed that I am pregnant now. See, Trina. What can you say about this?
Hindi na bubuka. Kanya ka bitit tinapon.
Who do you think the father is? Tapos, nalaglag ang bata. This is so good. Trina, do you agree that you are still a Kardashian family? What about this one?